I also wanted to share my newest kitchen gadget with you guys. Kitchen Mama sent me this electric can opener to try out. Since my wrist hurts every time I open a can, I knew I was going to love this one. This can opener is hands-free. It uses 4 AA batteries, and its design lets it fit well into a utensil drawer. It's super easy to use. You just line up the edge of the can between the blade and the metal gear, then push the button and let it do its thing. When it's done, all you have to do is push the button again, take it off, and remove the lid. And the way it cuts the can leaves no sharp edges. So if you're interested in trying one of these out, I have their website down in my description box.